not couple of years, I would say almost more than a decade, 12 years. And then I started doing this simultaneously, and today I'm like a professional makeup artist, and I owe everything to my previous job, you know, because you learn so much over there, you learn so much, and then you like to see yourself like that, always groomed, nicely polished, with etiquettes, manners and everything. So that becomes a part of your life, you know, that becomes your lifestyle. So just take it very, very seriously, whatever you're learning here, and then try and inculcate it in you from now only, because you know that will become a part of you and it will make you a better person. So yes, I'm very, very excited, and let's start. They would want to know. Okay, so I moved with Spice Trip for 2.5 years, and of course with Jeff for 12 years. Start with taking care of your skin first, which is again a very important factor, and I've seen a lot of girls, they ignore this. When I get bridals, they come and tell me that, you know, they might be having a very texture, pigmented skin with a lot of acne marks and all that, and then they tell you that I just want a flawless face, you know. So that is not possible if you're not taking care of your skin. So from day one, just make sure that you all are young, you all have nice, youthful skin, but then maintain it. That is about skincare. I just wanted to bring this topic because I've seen that, you know, not everybody is taking it seriously. And after 1 year or after some time, you know, you start seeing those things on your skin, and then it is very difficult to bring it back to normal. So it's better that you start taking care from now.